can say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commands us to reflect, to observe in Quran. So learning history, knowing your history is a religious obligation. That is why we had scholars who had written 50-volume works like Tariq Damashq, Tariq Baghdad, Ibn Asakir. We also had scholars who wrote books particularly about the craftsmen of a city, musicians of the city, farmers of a city. So what I would like to highlight here is the importance of vernacular history, which is being evaded, eroded and purposely removed. It is high time that we talk about local histories. If I want to talk about Malabar Revolution, if I want to talk about the history of Cherrapunji, someone sitting in Delhi would not be the right person. So we need to promote all those languages which is spoken in India and which has preserved our history. Whether it is Braj, Awadhi, Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Farsi, Arabi, that is the first motto, that is the first message of this conference, that we need to preserve all Indian languages and we need to promote all vernacular languages so that local history could be saved. The second thing is, we are talking about history since morning. If someone wants to know about the Aryan invasion theory or Chandragupta Maurya, what would be the source? We do not know Sanskrit. We cannot read Prakrit and Pali. So we can talk about our interest in history, but unless we put our effort in languages, in learning the basic languages in which the primary sources are available, we cannot really do something for the cause of history. There is a very famous Sanskrit shloka, Udyamen hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathe na hi suptasya singhasya pravishanti mukhe mriga. When a lion is lying under a tree and the lion wants to eat a deer, it has to get up. The lion has to get up. Just by lying under the tree and thinking that the deer is going to come in my mouth is not going to suffice. Similarly, when we talk about promoting history, we need to learn the languages. So all those students who are showing interest in ancient history, they need to learn Sanskrit, Pali and Prakrit. Similarly, when we talk about medieval history, we must learn Farsi, Arabic. Earlier, I was having discussion with very respected Professor Hussain Saab and Dr. Faizan Saab. I was present in their session. Both of them pointed to one thing, that the reference from the original resources is very few. Most of the students, they are copying material from ChatGPT and from DeepSeek and they are presenting papers here. And let me tell you, about myself, someone has uploaded an information that I am a member of an organization based in Italy. So if you DeepSeek or if you do chat, if you ask Grok about myself, it says that I am based in Italy and I am a member of that Italian organization. I have never been to Italy. So never take history from social media. Dr. Musa was talking about politics, history as a political tool. I would not be dwelling much into it, but that's everyone understands. The movies which are being made, the false books, the false narratives which are being written. So आज तभी तमाम हजरात जो तारीख पढ़ना चाहते हैं, अगर आप कुरून वस्ता की तारीख पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो अरबी, फारसी, उर्दू जानना लाजमी है. अगर आप हिंदुस्तान की एंशियंट तारीख पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो संस्कृत, प्राकृत और पाली जानना लाजमी है. और नहीं तो गूगल करके विकिपीडिया से लिखकर यू कैन नॉट बिकम अ स्कॉलर. तो समझ लीजिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, वरना कॉन्फ्रेंस पे पेपर पढ़ देने से बहुत बड़ी काबिलियत नहीं होती है. अनलेस यू आर ब्रिंगिंग वेरी ओरिजिनल रिसोर्सेज. 2 papers were very marked as told to me by the chair of the sessions. One was Miss Richa and one was Miss Sharma, and they talked about gendered spaces. जगहों में जेंडर कैसे होते हैं. ये जो आपको नक्काशी दिख रही है, दिस evolved during Mughal period which was adopted by the Rajput kings because वो अपनी ख्वातीन, अपनी औरतों को पर्दे में रखना चाहते थे. So how can spaces be demarcated as male and female? Very innovative research. The other paper was about the intelligence sources during the British period, of course again from the original resources of all the British correspondence which is available in the UK. तो मैं बस गुजारिश ये करूँगा कि जब आप मकालात पढ़ें तो कोशिश करें ओरिजिनल रिसोर्सेज तक पहुँचे। ये उम्र है कि आप ज़बान सीखें, उर्दू, अरबी, फारसी, संस्कृत, प्राकृतिक, ताकि सही माने में तारीख़ की खिदमत हो सके। हज़रत ख्वाजा अमीर खुसरो रहमतुल्लाह अलैह की 4000 अशार पर मुश्तमिल मसनवी है किराने सादियान, आज तक उसका तर्जुमा नहीं हुआ। सुबह हुसैन साहब से बात हो रही थी, बोलते हैं भाई अब वो लोग कब्र में चले गए जो तर्जुमा करने वाले थे। सो वी नीड यंग स्कॉलर्स हु डेडिकेट देयर टाइम इन लर्निंग हिस्ट्री।